transplant it like this, there is a very high rate of survival compared to when you just plug it out. Hi guys, today I'm here at the beautiful Mbale SS. I'm going to turn my camera and I'll show you the urban farming. So we are going to use containers, cement bags, car tires. We are going to work together with the students. So this video is going to be very interesting. You need to stick around and watch it. So subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Let me take you through and I show you our nursery bed. Everything is ready. As you can see in my background, you see a lot of tires. When I turn like this, you are able to see the stands. You're seeing soil. That is the school, and everything is just lovely. So that in the background is the nursery bed. I'm going to take you there and I'll show you how everything has grown. And today is a day of transplanting, aligning, and we are going to make this place look beautiful. If you haven't yet subscribed, consider subscribing. So this right here is our nursery bed, and inside we have planted there kale. So it's shining, so the color of the veggies is not going to look like the same, but this is kale. And so in the next one has tomatoes, as you can see. And also the next one has spinach. It didn't germinate really so well, but it's there. You can be able to see. And these are collards. You can see there are very many here. Sukuma wiki. And so these are eggplants. And so the next step is to organize these stands, align them properly, put the pots that we are going to plant our plants in, and put the soil, try to organize them. You know, we did the work with the students and they were very excited doing this. It's really enjoyable. You know, students love this. This is the agriculture class at Mbaleses, and together with the agriculture teacher we did this and they worked willingly. I really love these boys and girls. They're very active and you know, they enjoy doing garden work. So there's no forced labor. That is the agriculture teacher trying to move up and down, making things work. I was on camera trying to work. Awesome. But you will see me later in the following clips. So keep watching, subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, give us a like. Why wouldn't you like this beautiful video? Please give us a comment. How do you feel about the setup? Can we change? What do you think? Should we leave this stance here? You know, can we put some other colors? What would you give us like your advice? I want to know in the comment section. So let's go directly and you know, we see demonstrate about planting. Yes. So when you bring it like this, it beats like that the other plant that is potted. Okay. You saw when we started learning about the nursery bed, we said we have that bare root nursery bed which we did here, and also this one comes with a bowl of soil. And when you transplant it like this, there is a very high rate of survival compared to when you just plug it out. When you just
Joy.
Okay, so you get the fertilizer here. I want to put some fertilizer.
So here we had to do a demo, like demonstrating them how to add fertilizer, how to plant, and we trusted this girl to plant for us the very first plant. Jokingly, we would see how the garden is going to do, whether it is going to thrive or it's going to die. You know, we are going to see her luck like anyhow. So we did the very first planting, like the very first plant. You can see the seedlings are very healthy and in very good conditions. So she planted for us that before other students, so we wanted them to learn. So do not forget that this project is sponsored by Recolto and AfriFood Links program in partnership with Mbale SS, and its whole purpose is to improve on nutrition in school-going children and also promote urban farming, teaching these children different technologies that they can do, giving them hands-on skills so that when they finish school they will not be stuck on the street. They will be able to do something, they can do something at their homes and be able to improve on the nutrition and generally the school feeding program. So we are so grateful to Recolto for putting in cash to see that everything works out. And then together, Mbale says we are really grateful for the support and we cannot take this for granted. So we are learning and teaching and everything is moving on smoothly. Consider subscribing if you haven't yet subscribed, like our video, share it with your friends, let them learn about how to do this. So we did gender balance and the guy planted for us kale, and yeah, it is very nice. I will show you how guys how these things are going to turn out. You will definitely enjoy this project. Just subscribe this channel so that you don't miss out when I upload a new video. So you can see the students enjoying the work and it was really amazing and full of fun. Working with students is such an adorable thing and it is really fun. They made fans. You can see the smiles on their faces. They definitely enjoy this work. And so we continued with the planting and yeah, everything is going to turn out very beautiful. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you the layout, how the garden is going to look after we have transplanted. You don't have to click off. Continue watching and subscribing if you haven't yet subscribed, and share it with your friends. Do not be selfish, let them learn as well. So we had also sack gardens, so now we are going to transplant tomatoes, and because tomatoes really need a lot of soil, we didn't want to put them in the pots, so we had to take them to the sack garden, and the sack gardens are really beautiful. You don't have to miss that part, so from here we are going to the sack gardens, and then we shall plant our tomatoes properly, arrange them well, and so let's go. So here I was teaching them how to scoop, like how to remove the seedlings from the nursery bed, without making them like too bare. Like they have to come with somehow a bowl of soil so that they can survive. Mind you, we did this when there was no rain. You can see the environment is not nice, so we are just planting by faith, waiting for the rain. Yeah, when it threatened to rain like this, we had to rush and transplant with hope that it's going to come. Smart girls and boys that are wearing uniform. I'm also in my nice outfit. We are doing smart farming, so we are doing fertilizers first and then we do the planting. You can see this is really urban farming.
So we don't have time to prepare another garden. Yeah. So make sure you hold it well with some soil. So that it goes in the bowl of soil. If you find that it has remained with a little one like this, don't force it, just plant two. If it has a little one which is stuck on you, don't force it the you plant two. Than you killing the other big one because you want to remove it, baby. You better. Okay, so another thing before, make sure you don't see any fertilizer around. Okay. Because that one will burn it before you even finish lunch, it will already be dead.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's plant.
Hello.
Enyanya zino muzikole zibeere farm, okay? Let them be farm, not loose.
The good thing with our students, they learn very fast. So we did a transplanting, it went on smoothly. As you can see, we planted our tomatoes. Remember, we are just planting, running, that rain would find us when we are somewhere. Yeah, so that is it. Keep watching, like the video, and do not forget to subscribe.
Which? Hello guys, so as you can see, we are here at the beautiful school of Valley SS, and today we've come to transplant our plants. The nursery beds are ready, everything is okay, so we've come to do the transplanting. We've worked together with the students. Here is Martha, she's also busy planting, and we can't wait to show you the setup. We can't wait to show you how everything is going to turn out. So subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and join this channel. You're going to enjoy more. We have all the videos that we've taken doing this work, and it's really going to be good. We are going to carry you along as these plants grow. We shall show you how everything is going to be from the planting up to top dressing and until harvest. So you don't need to miss everything in this video.